Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to AutoProTalks, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of tire care and unveiling the secrets to keeping your wheels rolling smoothly. Your tires are more than just round rubber discs. They are the foundation of a vehicle's performance and safety. That's why proper tire maintenance is crucial. First up, let's talk about tire pressure. Did you know that underinflated or overinflated tires can significantly impact your car's handling and fuel efficiency? Regularly checking your tire pressure and maintaining the manufacturer's recommended level is key. Another important aspect of tire care is rotation. By regularly rotating your tires, you ensure even wear, extending their lifespan and improving overall maintenance. Now, let's explore the art of choosing the right tire for different driving conditions. From all-season tires to specialized winter or performance tires, understanding the right fit for your needs can make a world of difference in your driving experience. It is also essential to keep an eye out for tire wear. By visually inspecting your tires for signs of uneven tread wear, bugs, or cracks, you can identify when it's time for replacement and ensure your safety on the road. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tire Talk. If you want to learn more about tire care, selection, and stay updated to the latest industry trends, be sure to subscribe to AutoProTalks. We've got plenty of in-depth discussions coming your way. Until next time, keep those wheels spinning and let's live.